and welcome to the Financial Room. I'm your host once again, Natasha Bridgmohan. Thank you so much for joining me in the mid-March, and it's all about renovation, preparing for renovation. What happens in spring? A lot of us are decluttering, we're preparing for our home for sale, or we're preparing to buy a home, or we're preparing to renovate for a beautiful summer rendezvous in our backyard or inside our home with beautiful family gatherings. So I want to give you some tips about renovations and what you need to do before you pick up the phone and call Hammer Heroes, because they're going to do the renovation and you're going to celebrate. So our Hammer Heroes renovation company, powered by the BridgGroup of companies, is proud to launch amazing basement programs for renovation and of course upgraded washroom services, along with exterior and interior additions and any other type of upgrades. So let's talk about renovation. What's the first thing that you need to do if you want to renovate your property? Well, the first thing is know your goal. What is your purpose? Why do you want to renovate? And make sure that you understand that it brings value to your life and it's going to bring value to your home. So know your goal and get a quote. Get some quotes from some renovation company. We can come out there free of charge, and we're offering right now 10% off in the month of March with 3D rendering drawings for free. So once you get that budget and once you know your goal and you get that budget, then you'll be able to figure out the best timeline for when the best time it is to execute the renovation project for you. Because for renovation, you want to be on time, on budget, and you want to be able to get all of the bells and whistles on that checklist in terms of that renovation. So once you finish with the budget, you want to do a detailed scope of work with your renovation company. And of course, do your research. Make sure that the quality and the quantity and the materials that you want with the renovation company that you're using are in line to your expectations for quality control and finishes. And make your master list. Make that list of everything that you want to do. So when you get that budget and that quote and that scope of work finalized, you have crossed all your T's and you have dotted all of your I's. And of course, you want to work with a company that's going to get you the proper permits, the proper drawings, everything stamped, everything approved. Because the last thing you want to do is face a stop work order, fines with the city, and of course having not so happy neighbors too as well. So very, very, very important that you do your due diligence. Renovations can really make or break your bank account. So you really want to make sure that you have those funds. And if you don't have the funds, here at the BridgGroup of companies, we have lots of financing program for those who are looking to renovate. So you're going to want to pick up the phone and you want to call Hammer Heroes. You are going to hear, and if you haven't heard from our Hammer Heroes host and owner, you will be hearing from him soon and learning a lot about this new organization that the BridgGroup of companies is very proud to be powering and supporting. So I want you to know that if you do all of these checklists and get this all organized, you're going to be able to make sure that you achieve the ultimate finished product, which is really, really, really important. The most rewarding thing to do is for a person is when they have a budget and they have a renovation and they have drawings and they have a scope of work and they're working with subject matter experts in line to their vision and renovation. The best reward is having it finished to your liking and also gaining an investment equity growth and the appreciation of your value, which is really, really, really important. So you don't want to throw good money after bad. You want to do renovations, and you want to do it very selectively, and you want to make sure when you are ready to downsize and sell that home, you will get more than $1 in each renovation that you have invested in. So if you want to book an appointment for a renovation for a free consultation with free rendering drawings, if you book this month of March, 10% off on your budget, and we are here to help you. It's all about we renovate, you celebrate at Hammer Heroes. And pick up the phone, call us right now. If you don't have the funds and you're in desperation of doing renovation, we can also work with your challenge too. Thank you so much for joining us once again at the BridgGroup of companies. I'm your host, Natasha Bridgmohan. Good day.